Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. NHOU Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system. And by Tornador, the must-have detailing tools.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Look, I love cars, you love cars, whether it's a classic or something newer. If it goes, it's awesome, but sometimes cars stink. And that's where our friends at Azuna come in. Scott, how do you take care of odors inside vehicles?
So basically what we have is our product, which is basically based on tea tree oil, right? And what tea tree oil does is it allows you to absorb the mold, mildew, and bacteria from the air so that you're getting that neutral smell, right? And that everything from pet smells to smoke smells to BO to your hockey bag in your car and things of that nature. And the way that it works is basically it's a gel, right? So it's tea tree oil, water, some binders, done into a gel form like this. And by the time that it's done, it hardened. And then when it's done, you use a refill pouch to basically refill it to make it nice and economical. And we started off doing this mainly for home. So we would have our whole home kit where we'd have all of our different scents and our small room and large room treatments, the small room being the 2 ounce for 200 square feet up to 90 days, and the 8 ounce being for 800 square feet up to 90 days. And we started selling this to auto dealers. And one of our partners is Northtown Auto in Buffalo, started realizing that cars, when they are turned in, right now it's a little bit different because the marketplace is different, but on average you're getting dinged $1,100 for pet smells, smoke smells, other smells you can't get out. So they would buy it, use it in the car, and be able to economically make 100 to 1 return on investment for themselves. So what we decided to do is launch our Azuna Auto this week. It's the first time we're launching it is here on Motorhead Garage. And basically the main difference from this is we've got a smaller hole configuration because these are meant for 200 square feet and a car is not 200 square feet. So what we suggest people do is just put it in their car and you will have a nice neutral smell. All those smoke smells, those pet smells, they'll be gone. Or if you're about to turn your car in, buy one of these, let it sit for a day or two before you bring your car in and save yourself $1,100 on average.
I like saving $1,100.
I mean, who doesn't?
And so can you use this as sort of a maintenance thing? Keep it in your car?
Yeah. I mean, that's what the main suggestion is that basically you're having it in there full time. And as I said, within about 90 days, you'll see that it hardens up. Then you would either put a new one in or you can get the refill pouch and basically just refill it. But we kid around and say that your house or your car or your RV, your boat, it's gonna smell like the French Alps, meaning that it's neutral, because some people like different scents. We have an aromatherapy, a simply citrus, a pure vanilla, as well as our natural scent. And then we actually have an athlete scent for gym bags. So for hockey bags, for smaller gym bags, that as well, which is kind of nice little laundry fresh type scent. But what we suggest with the Azuna Auto is that it is a maintenance product. In the old days, you would put in the tree that smells like fake pine tree of toxins, and this is all natural. So what our market is for the people who really like all natural products. People that understand they don't want to put additional toxins into there because you got toxins everywhere. And that's what the main suggestion is for it.
And you talk about the scents. Scent is not really the primary focus here. That's kind of the byproduct.
Yes, yeah. So basically, some people like different scents. So like people who like our Simply Citrus, which is a orange/cranberry type scent, they love that. But what we're there for is to not mask the scent. We're not a spray, although we do have a spray, but our spray is an all-natural spray, which can also be used as a cleaning piece as well. We're not there to just mask the smell. What our job is to basically absorb all the mold, mildew, and bacteria from the air into the gel so that we hit the source of the problem.
Of course, Azuna works in your RV, your boat, and your car. What are the other applications that we have? What are the other products?
In addition to the products we have here, we have a laundry kit, which basically allows you to use dryer balls with our spray, dry your clothes in much less period of time in a much more non-toxic manner that the dryer sheets have. We have a mold gold, which allows you to get rid of mold in your showers, your laundry room, and anywhere where there's existing mold, where you just spray it and hit it with an antimicrobial rag. And then within all of our different scents, we have the aromatherapy, the Simply Citrus, and the Pure Vanilla, and refill pouches for all of them.
And now we brought in a guy that really stinks sometimes. I don't want to say that too much.
Not anymore, because I have Azuna now.
That's right, and I like your Motorhead shirt, by the way. I mentioned that. Yeah, tell me how you use Azuna.
Well, every once in a while, my friends and I will smoke a cigar in the car, and as smokers know, that smell is very hard to get out. And we'll pop an Azuna in the morning. By night, that smell will be gone, and not just cigar smells, but any type of smoke smell, Azuna will work great with. Another way is leave your windows open, your car gets mold or musky, pop an Azuna in there, that smell will be gone.
If Azuna can take care of cigars and musty smells and gym bags of all things, it's going to work for you. Check them out at azunafresh.com. And you can check out more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings when we come back. Keep it right here.